Hi, this is Jeff from QualityDoor.com. Today we wanted to provide a great useful video for you guys out in the field to show you how to install a DSH1000 Pemko pin and barrel continuous hinge, as well as an ERS emergency rescue strike. How we're using this is we're installing it on an 18 gauge hollow metal door. Frank will actually come in here and show you how to install the hinge to the door, as well as the emergency rescue flush bolt to the trimmed opening frame. But how we're using this is we're using it in a patient care rescue application for a toilet room. So if a patient gets stuck behind the door, you want to be able to take the ERS, unpin the flush bolt, pull the stop out, and allow the door to swing out so that the proper care can get in there for the patient. So the first step here is applying the DSH1000, which actually could swing 100 degrees in either direction to the door. We have a trimmed opening frame here with an ERS emergency rescue flush bolt used in conjunction with the DSH1000, which allows the door to swing both ways. At first, we're going to show you the trimmed opening frame with the ERS, and we're going to go through the process of installing it on the frame.
Here we are going to mark and prep the Pemko ERS emergency release stop. First, we set the emergency release stop 1/8 below the head of the frame. We'll mark our holes, remove the stop, and drill and tap. Next, we'll drill the frame with an 11/64 drill bit and a 12/24 tap.
Okay, so Adolfo's going to install a 12/24 torque screw. So now that we've screwed on the ERS, you fold it over. You would undo the emergency release screw. This would pop off. You would flip the latch. That will release the bolt on the top of the ERS. That goes into the head of the frame that we will show later on in the video. So what we did here is made a corresponding hole in the head to receive the bolt. Try it a few times. Come here and see the bolt come through the back end.
Here we are going to prep the Pemko DSH1000. We'll set the hinge 3/32 below the head of the frame, mark our holes, and drill and tap for a 12/24 torque screw. Here we are going to prep the door. We'll take the door portion of the hinge, set it flush with the top of the door, and drill and tap for a 12/24 screw.
If you look here, there's a shorter section and a longer section. The shorter section is for the door, longer section is for the frame.
Now we will hang the door to test fit it to make sure everything is working properly.
What we have here is a Pemko DSH1000C
and a Pemko emergency release stop.
So right now the door is a single swinging door. We'll show you the application of that. It opens in one direction, closes.
Hits the emergency release stop.
To make it a double acting door, we remove the security screw with the Allen key tool. You flick the little flush bolt on top. This moves in. You can open the door in the opposite direction if the patient has fallen.
A great feature for the ERS is there is multiple options for different size escutcheon plates on your lock.
Thank you for watching our video on the DSH1000 and ERS emergency rescue stop. In summary, this is a great application for healthcare and behavioral health facilities to ensure the safety of your patients. Click below and subscribe for our next video, as we'll be doing new installation videos on new products that are released in the commercial door hardware industry. Thank you and have a great day.